All right, so I wanted to take a minute and talk about disabling line weights in Bluebeam Review. Came across a great example here while reviewing drawings for the Uptown Hotel project, and saw some dimensions here that the architect had placed on this floor plan, and really wanted to, double check and make sure these dimensions were accurate. So if we zoom out here on the floor plan and we go over to the general notes, we see general floor plan note number 3. All dimensions are to the face of stud, center of door, or window opening, face of masonry. So we see here are the keywords. All dimensions are to the face of stud. Well, if we go over here to this part of the floor plan, and for me, I have the disable line weights button turned on, and it is docked here in this menu down at the bottom. And if I turn on disable line weights, it turns everything to a thin line, and I'm able to toggle that off again. So you can see we go from solid thick lines to thin lines. And so we see here, this dimension is actually to face of sheetrock. It is not to face of stud. So when you're laying out walls on the job and these dimensions start stacking on top of each other and you get a whole dimension string, and this can cause big problems down the line, and walls can be off if you don't clarify and validate this stuff early on. So just a quick simple way to double check your dimensions here in Bluebeam. How you add the disable line weights tool is by going up to tools, toolbars, then all the way down to the bottom and clicking customize. And here under categories, right here in this list, we're only looking at the tools in alphabetical order, of course, listed under the category of file. So we want to change this to all because we want to see every single command, every tool in alphabetical order in Bluebeam. And we're going to scroll on down here to D. All right, we find disable line weights. And then you can see in the toolbar um, pane or portion of this menu, this list is showing every toolbar check that I have checked and turned on around the perimeter of my screen. And really, you can pick any toolbar that you want to throw this tool or this command into. So if I click the edit toolbar, you can see these are all the tools that are appearing on my screen in the edit toolbar. If I just pick measure, these are all the tools that I have in that toolbar turned on. So really, maybe you throw this in the document tool, and if you like, and just click this little arrow here, then I'll throw it over to the document tool. For purposes of this training, this video, I'm just going to hit cancel because I already have it docked down here. But I do not recall what the name of this little toolbar is that's docked down here. Really easy way to find out what toolbars you have turned on around the perimeter of the screen. If we just hit cancel here, then you go to tools, toolbars, and then just start toggling stuff on and off. And you can kind of see here, what's what and what's turned on and docked, places around your Bluebeam review. So anyways, just wanted to cover that quick little tip here. Of course, we're going to make the architect aware of this and get it addressed. But disable line weights is a cool little tool that's easy. Provides a lot of benefit by toggling it on and off and trying to find little discrepancies like this. So hope this helps. Thank you.